Hello, today we're going to be showing you how to install a GroupManager plugin, and what we're going to be using is Essentials GroupManager. So, you could download this from Bukkit, but there's two things that you need to download, and one I do not know how to supply from Bukkit, so I will just be supplying it through a download link with MediaFire, which will be in the description. So, plugins, nope, that was the wrong folder. Plugins, and it is GroupManager. Yeah. Drag that on out. Close plugins, because we don't need that. I didn't even drag it out, did I? Oh, no, okay. Open your plugins folder, and then drag in GroupManager. Now you also need these four. I'm not sure if you need the Essentials Spawn or Essentials Protect, but I know you need that one and that one. Pretty much what these ones do is if you place a sign, it will protect it. You can disable that from the Essentials on the very bottom of the list. An Essentials Spawn makes it so you can edit, and the first 15 blocks away from spawn point is safe zone, where you can't have PvP, you can't build or grief or anything. So anyways, other than that, if we go into GroupManager, which you can get from extracting this file or just loading up your server, you go into this, click on worlds, and you can see this. If you do rename, you have to name this to your world. So our world is our world's name. And then there's group and users. Just edit the groups plugin. My stupid dog. And she shuts up. Shutty up. Yup. Alright, now if we load the server up, go to games, go to Minecraft, iPad HD, log in. My cat's wake. And then we log in. You can now see, oops, let me just deop iPad HD. Deop iPad HD, don't need to use a slash in the config. My name is Yellow. Pretty cool. No, we don't need this open. No, yeah, we need this open. No, shut up. Close all of these. Alright, my name is Yellow, because NE means it is yellow. Now, if we change this to, what's a good name? And, 7, which is a light gray, all the default users will be and 7. The name is light gray. Now, to determine the group is default or not, the default is true or false. So the builder is not a default, so people won't log in as a builder on the first login. Now, but I only want one ranking, which is the members ranking, which is a which is like the main ranking, I guess you can say. So yeah, alright, just kind of got a little bit confused. So other than that, as you may see, I can build. And, hold on. Shit. Up, iPad HD. Game mode 0. No slash, deop iPad HD. Can I still build? Yeah, alright, good. So as you can see, if build is set to false, you can build. Depending on how you edited your essentials, it depends on that. I made it so it has to be false so they can build. It can either be true or false. It doesn't really matter. Now we have a moderator. I want this one to be a blue, which is, I think, is N1. Then we have admin. And I just want admin to be the owner. So I'm simply going to give him all the permissions. And this little star thing means he has all of the permissions. Control S, and let's just remove owner, because I honestly don't want that ranking. So now if we just reload and do reload again, did I really just write reload in this? No, okay. And if I just type a dot, as you can see there, yeah. And then we can type add iPad HD moderator. You will move to the group moderator. My name is now blue. Add iPad HD admin, and my cat's hanging upside down. And I have a nice little red name. Let's say you wanted the prefix to say admin in it. I want my brackets to be F. I'm going to make brackets. And then inside those brackets, I'm going to make the word admin show up. And then F again, and brackets. But I want my name to remain this reddish color. Now I'm just going to save that, reload. If I type, as you can see, a nice color, you can say. Alright. Let's just remove that one. And also remove that one, because I honestly don't like them now. Do a reload. Then you won't have, oh my god, you won't have the brackets. So let's just do this for all of them. Where's there's this one. So we want this guy's color name to be, let's actually make this one moderator, and then his name can be 7. I want all of their names to be 7, which is a gray. And let's just do it with the last one. And green, which is a light green, kind of a limeish. And let's just do a reload. So as you've seen the admin one, I've changed it actually, but anyways, so if we do add iPad HD, and then we changed me to a moderator, you can see I have a prefix of blue, and my name is gray, and I forgot to add a space. A space between the prefix and my name. So just add that, and then I want to add a space after this one too, because if I don't, well, I guess you don't honestly need to, but I just like that. So actually, no, you don't need that. You don't need that at all. So now if I add myself to the group member, we have it default listed. It's a member, and my name is iPad HD. Save this, reload. Let's just talk again. I have a spacing between my name. Now, let's add myself some permissions. You actually have permissions already. Oops, opened up the wrong thing. You already have permissions added already. So if we click on server, go to the plugins, go to GroupManager, click on worlds, click on all world, edit groups. Nope, I went too far. If we go into global groups, edit this, as you can see, the essential default group, the G stands for group, and then we go back to groups. This guy already has it. Wonderful. Wonderful. And these are all the commands he has as a default. But since we also gave him this one, as you can see, we also gave him that one, then he's going to have all of these commands also. But let's just say we didn't want him to have that command. We can just remove it. We did want him to have this command, these commands, because we only want VIPs to have this one. P's, we don't want him to have these because he could crash a server with that. We don't want him to have nick. Nickname is when you can /Nick Jordan, and you can see your name will change. And if you don't like that little squiggly line, I should have showed you this in my last video, and since I didn't, I'm sorry, and I will show you now. You can change that in Essentials, going to this, and just removing that little space. Reload. And as you can see, my nickname no longer has that. Nick off. And my name is back to normal. And I don't want anyone just to be able to do that. Whoa, a creeper explosion all the way. Alright. So I'm just gonna remove that from the list. I want him to be able to do kit tools. And I want him to be able to see the kits. So if he just types kit, as you can see. Shit! Hold on, we will get back to kit soon. Because I'm gonna get a kit plugin. But, let me just try this also. Yeah, well, that's not working either, so you could just remove these. And if you and 4. As you can see, I can currently do like colors in the chat. Originally it's just white. But since I removed those from this default group, I can no longer do them. Since I'm an op, I think I still can. But as an op, you can do everything. But if you removed those, you shouldn't be able to do them. But I'm an op, and I can do everything because I'm awesome. So if you don't want them to be able to set more than one home, then just remove set home multiple. Multiple. You don't need those currently. You don't need them to suicide. You don't need them to view the time. You don't need them to pay, because we're not using the essentials pay. We don't need them to check the balance, because that's not the right balance. You don't need them to get the position, the depth, and the compass. You don't need them to be able to view the item ID, and that is about good. Oh, we don't need them to have protect either. So if we can reload, you can then see everything is correct. But let's just go to menu add iPad HD admin. My name is Gray, right? But if I do op iPad HD, op iPad HD, oh my god, iPad HD, my name will be red again. You do have to change that in the config for the operator's name to be 7, which is the gray. Reload. As you can see, it is white again. So that is about it. That wraps it all up. That's a lot of talking, Jesus. In the next video, I will explain a little bit briefly just about how to find out the commands and the permissions. So save everything you have done for the day. Close the server the safe way. Wait for it to stop. And then you are done. Rate, comment, subscribe. And if you're wondering what type of server I will be setting up, I will be setting up a role-playing server. So, see ya.